Welcome to my channel Learn with Dr. Shweta. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Learn with Dr. Shweta. In today's video, let's solve questions of chapter 5 of class 6th NCERT Science. The name of the chapter is Measurement of Length and Motion. So first question is, some lengths are given in column 1 of table 5.5. Some units are given in column 2. Match the lengths with the units suitable for measuring those lengths. So, in column 1, some lengths are mentioned, and in column 2, some units are given. So, let's match them. So, distance between Delhi and Lucknow will be measured in kilometer. Thickness of a coin will be measured in millimeter. Length of an eraser will be measured in centimeter. Length of school ground will be measured in meter. Next question is, read the following statements and mark true or false against each. So first is, the motion of a car moving on a straight road is an example of linear motion. True. Second is, any object which is changing its position with respect to a reference point with time is said to be in motion. True. Next is, 1 kilometer is equal to 100 centimeter. False. 1 kilometer is equal to 100,000 kilometer. Next is, which of the following is not a standard unit of measuring length? First is millimeter, second is centimeter, third is kilometer, and fourth is handspan. So the answer will be handspan is not a standard unit of measuring length. Next question is, search for the different scales or measuring tapes at your home and school. Find out the smallest value that can be measured using each of these scales. Record your observations in a tabular form. So let's form two tables. In first, mention the scales or the measuring tapes, and in second, mention the smallest value of measurement. So first is 15 centimeter scale. Its smallest value of measurement is 1 millimeter. Second is flexible tape. Its smallest value of measurement is 1 millimeter. Third is long tape roll, and its smallest value of measurement can be 1 centimeter. Next is vernier caliper, and its smallest value of measurement is 0.1 millimeter. Next is screw gauge, and its smallest value of measurement is 0.01 millimeter. Next question is, suppose the distance between your school and home is 1.5 kilometer. Express it in meters. So the answer will be, since 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters, therefore 1.5 kilometer will be 1.5 multiplied by 1000, which will be equal to 1500 meters. Next question is, take a tumbler or a bottle. Measure the length of the curved part of the base of the glass or bottle and record it. So the hint for this question is that for this you need a flexible measuring tape or a piece of string to measure the length of the curved part of the base of the bottle. Then measure the string against a ruler. Next question is, measure the height of your friend and express it in meters, centimeters, and millimeters. So the answer will be, we have to measure the height using a meter scale and express it in meters. So in meters, if it is 1.2 meter, then in centimeter it will be 120 centimeter, and in millimeters it will be 1200 millimeter. Next question is, you are given a coin. Estimate how many coins are required to be placed one after the other lengthwise without leaving any gap between them to cover the whole length of the chosen side of a notebook. Verify your estimate by measuring the same side of the notebook and the size of the coin using a 15 centimeter scale. So the hint for this question is that first you have to measure the diameter of the coin and length of the notebook. Then divide the length of the notebook by the diameter of the coin to estimate the number of coins required. For example, if the diameter of the coin is 2 cm and the length of the notebook is 16 cm, then 16 divided by 2 will be 8. So 8 coins can be placed side to side along the length of the notebook. Now verify it by placing the coins end to end and measuring again. Next question is, give 2 examples each for linear, circular and oscillatory motion. So when an object moves along a straight line, its motion is called linear motion. So examples of linear motion can be Republic Day parade or orange dropping from the tree. When an object moves along a circular path, its motion is called circular motion. So examples of circular motion can be a merry-go-round or the hands of a clock. And when an object moves to and fro about some fixed position, its motion is called oscillatory motion. So examples of oscillatory motion can be a swinging pendulum or a child on a swing. Next question is, observe different objects around you. It is easier to express the length of some objects in millimeter, some in centimeter and some in meter. Make a list of 3 objects in each category and enter them in table 5.6. So, in millimeter, we can measure thickness of a coin, thickness of a cardboard or diameter of a small screw. In centimeter, we can measure length of a pencil, width of a book or height of a bottle. In meter, we can measure height of a room, width of a playground or height of a door. Next question is, a roller coaster track is made in the shape shown in figure 5.19. A ball starts from point A and escapes through point F. Identify the types of motion of the ball on the roller coaster and corresponding portions of the track. So the answer to this question is, types of motion of the ball on the roller coaster and corresponding portions of the track are A to B linear motion, B to C circular motion, C to D circular motion and E to F linear motion. Next question is, Tasneem wants to make a meter scale by herself. She considers the following materials for it: plywood, paper, cloth, stretchable rubber and steel. Which of these should she use and why? So the answer will be, Tasneem should not use stretchable rubber because it can change length when stretched, leading to inaccurate measurements. So, plywood, cloth, paper and steel are more suitable as they maintain consistent lengths. Next question is, think, design and develop a card game on conversion of units of length to play with your friends. The answer will be, create cards with different lengths and corresponding units, that is in millimeter, centimeter, meter or kilometer. Each card can have a length in one unit and player must match it to its equivalent in another unit. For example, a card with 100 cm would match with 1 meter. Thank you for watching, and for more such contents, please subscribe to my channel Learn with Dr. Shweta.